What's the meaning of absentee landlord? Absentee landlord. Absentee landlord. Absentee landlord. Absentee landlord. Absentee landlord. An absentee landlord is a person who owns and rents out a property but does not live on the property. They may live in a different city, state, or even country. Absentee landlords can be difficult to deal with, as they may not be as responsive to tenant needs as landlords who live on the property. They may also be less likely to make repairs or improvements to the property. Here are some of the challenges of dealing with an absentee landlord. It can be difficult to get in touch with them. They may not be as responsive to tenant needs. They may be less likely to make repairs or improvements to the property. They may not be familiar with local laws and ordinances. If you are considering renting from an absentee landlord, it is important to do your research and make sure that they are reputable. You should also get everything in writing, including the terms of your lease and any expectations for repairs and maintenance.